Hi everyone, Scott Lewis here for Wirefly. Today I'm here to show you a few features of the brand new Windows Phone 8 operating system. Now first of all, we'll start out with the navigation style. It's an up and down vertical navigation style. And you have live tiles for weather. You have an Xbox live tile here, you can see a little avatar. And you have your people live tile, which rotates through your different friends. You also have other live tiles that you can get. So here we have a stock live tile, so it'll show you some different stock prices. You have your Data Sense live tile, which will show you your data use. So those are some different live tiles that I happen to have on the Windows Phone 8 operating system home screen. Now let's take a look at the People Hub. The People Hub is great for syncing your contacts with your social media accounts to have one place to go for updates. You'll see that the person's current profile picture will be the picture for their contacts. You'll have a spot in the People Hub called Together, and that will let you create a private place to chat, share photos, and manage a shared calendar with friends and family members. The next feature of the Windows Phone 8 operating system I wanted to show you was the Office integration, or Microsoft Office integration. You can open it up and we'll take a look at a PowerPoint presentation here, but you'll see that there's Word documents as well as Excel documents that you can edit and view here on your Windows 8 device. So you can swipe through the PowerPoint slides, and if you needed to edit one, you tap the little edit button, you can go in and you can add a word and say it's okay, and then when you go back you can save the change and you've updated the file. This feature would be very useful if you didn't want to have to pull out a laptop to make a quick edit or change in a Word, PowerPoint, or Excel document. The next feature I want to show you is the Kids Corner. With Kids Corner, when you go to your lock screen, instead of swiping up to unlock, you'll swipe over and then up to unlock the Kids Corner. The Kids Corner is great because it allows you to control what media content and applications your children have access to when you hand them your phone, and it also protects your information from accidental deletion. You have control over what applications you allow them to have access to, so if you would like them to have access to the weather and the camera application and different games, you can do that. But if there's certain applications that you don't want them to have access to, Kids Corner will protect those applications. To get back to the normal screen, you're just going to press the lock button. You'll unlock it again. Swipe up, you'll enter in your passcode, and you're back to your regular Windows Phone 8 operating system. And the last feature I wanted to show you was the Data Sense on your Windows Phone 8 operating system. I happen to have mine pinned to the Start menu. You'll click in, and it will give you an overview of how much data that you have, how much you've used, and how many days you have left in your billing cycle. This is nice because it gives you the ability to monitor and manage your data use. You can set up data limits, and it will even restrict background data when you're getting near your limit. This feature would be great if you're on a shared data plan and you'd like to set data limits for each phone. Those are just a few of some of the great features that are available on the Windows Phone 8 operating system. If you'd like more information on the Windows Phone 8 operating system, make sure to check out Wirefly.com. We have some great resources about the Windows Phone 8 operating system, as well as some of the best phones on the market that are currently running the Windows Phone 8 operating system. My name is Scott Lewis for Wirefly. Thanks for watching.